The Armed Forces of the Philippines, or AFP, successfully delivered Noche Buena packages to our troops stationed in the contested waters. AFP completed its rotation and resupply mission to 9 island features in the West Philippine Sea from December 3 to 14. 2 Chinese Coast Guard ships and 2 Chinese warships were monitored near Ayungin Shoal during the mission. Fortunately, they did not harass our vessels. Navy spokesperson for West Philippine Sea, Rear Admiral Roy Vincent Trinidad, said their latest resupply mission brought high morale to our troops.
Ayan, yan yung mga inaabangan kasi ng mga nakastation dyan sa atin di ba? Yung lalo na ngayon magpapasko, at least meron silang mga pang Noche Buena items.
Kasi with all the pressure and the tension that day in, day out na kasama sa trabaho nila, di ba, ano ba naman ang maliliit na bagay na para pasahin natin sila, a little food, maybe a little clothes, di ba, some water or
mga
juice,
gifts, di ba?
mga regalo para masaya sila, di ba? Oo.
Sabi ng ng Navy nga, this time around, gumawa sila ng mga different mix daw of vessels, no? Gumamit sila ng different mix of vessels para madala nga itong mga supplies na to sa ating mga nakastation na sundalo dyan, no? So, may mga, of course, sa dagat, meron sa Himpapawid.
Yeah.
So, as you can see, no, nakikita natin, yan yung naka-Santa hats pa sila when they were delivering yung mga
Sierra
Noche
Madre
Buena
ba to?
items. BRP Sierra Madre yun, yung kalawangin.
Nakita mo yung hull niya, no? I mean, terrible na yung itsura ng ship na yan. Sana next year, yan ang maging kasama sa wishlist natin na kahit papano, supposedly
Mapaayos.
the icon, our icon of the West Philippine Sea is deteriorating.
Totoo.
Yun ang wishlist natin, na gumanda siya ulit.
Bago, dapat next year, early next year, maayos na yun. Kasi yun nga yung nagiging problema. Every time na
We try.
conduct yung resupply missions natin dun sa area, nagkakaroon ng, alam mo na, aberya dahil dun nga sa mga Chinese.
Sabi nga ng marami, yung Sierra Madre serves several purposes. One is future tourism. In other words, pag nagkaroon na ng settlement sa West Philippine Sea, let's say, no, naayos na lahat at na-claim na natin kung ano atin, all is well, then we will have tourists visiting the popular Sierra Madre, which stood its ground since former President
1999.
Former President Joseph Estrada grounded the BRP Sierra Madre to establish or claim.
High school pa lang ako nun.
Oo, kita mo.
Ikaw,
ha?
artista ka na nun. Di ba? Artista ka na 1999.
Okay.
Yan ka na ba nun? 1999? Bakit? Ayaw na niya. Hindi kasi inaano ko lang kung gaano katagal na.
I was 23 since I was born in 1975. I was 23 then. Ang presidente noon was si Joseph Estrada.
Yes.
And this was even before his yung ouster niya.
Yes.
One of his famed movements
Pwede
or
niyang,
decision.
legacy niya
Oh
ba
yeah,
to?
that's alam mo kung hindi dahil diyan, di
Isa
ba?
sa mga
Mahihirapan tayo in laying claim
Yeah.
to that because icon yan, that's the icon of our stand against di ba, if you see several posters and drawings kahit saan, kahit sa abroad, yung Sierra Madre ang nakadepict doon sa may natin claim natin.
Kahit kalawangin yan, that serves, 'di ba? Our purpose, our that's ours.
At saka
our
diba,
claim.
napaka parang bagay na bagay sa name pa ng boat na Sierra Madre because Sierra Madre also is the one that protects us from the storms that come in.
Yes.
Binibreak niya yung storm. So, yan, Sierra Madre.